that China is sitting on 4,000 square kilometers of our territory. 4,000 किलोमीटर हैं, 4,000 किलोमीटर चाइना ने ले लिए हैं और हमारे फॉरेन सेक्रेटरी उनके एम्बेसडर के साथ केक काट रहे हैं. Thank you, Speaker sir, for letting me raise a matter of urgent public importance. Speaker sir, it's a known fact that China is sitting on 4,000 square kilometers of our territory. I was shocked some time back to see that our foreign secretary was cutting a cake with the Chinese ambassador. The question is, what exactly is happening to this territory? 4,000 किलोमीटर हैं, 4,000 किलोमीटर चाइना ने ले लिए हैं और हमारे फॉरेन सेक्रेटरी उनके एम्बेसडर के साथ केक काट रहे हैं. 20 जवान शहीद हुए थे, उनकी शहादत की सेलिब्रेशन हो रही है केक काटकर. अब हम नॉर्मलसी के खिलाफ नहीं हैं, मगर नॉर्मलसी से पहले स्टेटस को होना चाहिए. हमारी जमीन हमें वापस मिलनी चाहिए. वी शुड गेट आवर लैंड बैक. It has also come to my notice that the Prime Minister and the President have written to the Chinese. We are not finding out from our own people. It is the Chinese ambassador who is telling the people of India that the Prime Minister of India and the President of India have written to them. Foreign policy is about managing the external countries. You have given China 44,000 square kilometers of land. On the other side, our ally suddenly decides to impose tariffs on us, 26%, which is going to completely devastate our economy. Our auto industry, our pharmaceutical industry, they're all on the line. Agriculture. So I'm wondering, somebody once asked Indira Gandhi ji, in the matter of foreign policy, do you lean left or do you lean right? And Indira Gandhi ji answered, I don't lean left or right, I stand straight. I'm Indian and I stand straight. And the BJP and the RSS have a different philosophy. When asked, do you lean left or do you lean right? They say, no, we bow our head right in front of every foreigner that comes in front of us. Sir, this is something that is in their culture, it is in their history, we know that. But we would like an answer from the government of India. What are you doing about our land? And what are you going to do? What are you going to do about this tariff that our ally has imposed on us? Thank you.
द इंडियन खबर, सच आपके सामने.